Back into the stash we go. Quite literally, because I'm just literally sort of starting to get hordes of stuff. So as you can see from the title, we're doing some. I don't remember whether we've done Polish crisps before. So that's probably going to be the title, because I think that might have been back when I was doing the sort of guest bits for the sip and snack. But we've got some Polish crisps, various different flavours, and we'll start off with probably the most generic one that I can find. This Whiskey Zemniewski, I don't know how you pronounce it. Potato crisps with butter and salt flavour. So they're sort of ready salted or plain, but with butter. Wow, you can smell the butter. Yeah. These smell like ready salted. Let's find out. They've got the saltiness already salted. But they do actually taste like butter. Which for a crisp / potato chip, weird. Don't get me wrong, they're still good. It's just butter isn't a flavour that I'd expect with crisps. If you've seen my previous crisp related videos that I've done. Still, they are enjoyable. They are not rubbish. That gets a plus. Move it down here. Next up, I think we'll go for this one. So that one was Masta de Solda, which I'm guessing master is butter and solda is salt. This time it's... I love the thing! Hang on, let's get there. Oh, SMAKU! SMAKU! Cebulki. Which, translated on the back of the packaging, is potato crisps with onion. But just onion on its own, no cheese and onion or anything like that. Just onion. So let's see how pungent the onion is. Okay, that's actually an onion flavour rather than sort of like a cheese and onion where it smells more like a spring onion. That is an onion ring. But basically, we got the crisp variant of the onion ring here. Because there is sort of a potato-ish taste there. But it is a very strong onion flavour. Again, I should have expected that, because, you know, it said onion on it, not with anything else. So we'll see. Now these might be different, because I'm guessing, looking at the wording here, this third one, I'm guessing Donowo Kronion might be Ridge, because if we look at the picture, it says Ridge, and also more SMAKU. I love that. I think that's going to be. It's not even going to be Polish. It's not even going to be Polish Polish crisps or Polish potato chips, it's going to be Polish SMAKU. Because I just love that name. SMAKU! So as you can see, these are Błędzoński Stałopolski. So these, according to the back, are riffled, not ridged, riffled, because you know. Riffled potato chips with traditional Polish smoked bacon flavour. So basically these are ridged, riffled, smoky bacon. This should be good. The smell is smoky and bacon. Are they riffles or are they ridges? You be the judge. I'd say they're both. Weirdly, for a smoky bacon, it's relatively mild. Because Smoky's normally got much more of a kick, in all honesty. And these, they just, you know, the pork flavour's still there. But it's just, I don't know. Again, good. You know, 3 for 3. We haven't got anything shit here. It's just, unlike with the butter ones, where it was like it's something that I didn't expect. With these, I was sort of over-expecting, I guess. Considering how I've been probably tainted by the flavours of other smoky bacon crisps from the UK, where they probably put a stronger flavour, because stronger taste buds, or something like that. So then finally, we move away from the riffles to a bag that's upside down. Now, I can probably guess what these SMAKUs are, considering that the Polish is papriki. So I'm guessing, you never know, it might be paprika. Just a guess. Just a slight guess. Potato crisp with paprika flavour! Oh, I didn't see that coming. Now the question is, how spicy are they going to be? I have got a video in the works, because again, the StAsh, these were bought like about a month ago from when I'm recording this on the 7th of May. Which is part 2 of that bag of, I can't remember it was on this series or back on Sip and Snack, but when I did the jalapeno crisps and whatever. So we'll have a quick go at these. These aren't spicy at all. Considering it says paprika. They're just lightly spiced. Again, they're still good and worth you trying, but again, I'm trying to work out now whether the Polish have sort of less strong palates, because the paprika that I thought would be somewhat spicy is very mild. The smoky bacon was a very mild smoky bacon. The onions were strong. The onions, like, rather than being mild, they were like, whoom, onion rings. You know, so, yeah. Interesting combinations there. Hopefully, it wasn't tainted by me rinsing my mouth. I don't think it should, because there's a shit ton of flavour that can get in here. So, oh crap. Oh, that's great. The move up. No, the other way. That's better. So yeah, that's all for this video. Check out all the other content, be it my other food related things, be it the wrestling stuff, be it the gaming stuff, be it AJ's movie stuff, all that sort of goodness here on the channel. Sub if you want, like or dislike if you want. Feel free to comment, you know, if you've had these by chance. And again, I'm trying to go for stuff that probably most of you haven't seen. But there you go. See you on the next video, everybody.